John Cena returning to WWE. Too soon? What's up guys, I'm Meru from ITZ Baby, and this video I'm going to be talking about John Cena returning to the WWE at Hell in a Cell, facing Alberto Del Rio for the World Heavyweight Championship. So John Cena was out of action a couple of months, I think like 2 months ago, because of his elbow. Something happened to his elbow, and something happened, so he got injured and he was out of action. And he told that he'll be taking the next 4 to 6 months to get back into action. But it looks like he's coming. After 2 months, he's coming a little quickly. So do you think that he's coming a bit too soon? Because if he comes a bit too soon, do you think that he's still not completely recovered from the injury? So he has said that he's completely recovered from the injury, and the doctors have said that he's completely fine. But you still don't know, is it WWE that's doing this? Because you see that the ratings are not so good for Raw. They're not as high as it was since John Cena left. So they kind of need him. So he's still the guy for WWE. Daniel Bryan hasn't still taken up that role. So you still don't know. So this is a really big risk for WWE, because suppose when John Cena comes back and then suppose then he gets another injury, because he won't be completely recovered, and then in the match if he gets another genuine injury, then that can be a real what do you say, that can be a real that can be a different moment in his career. That can be a career ender. Yeah, that's right words. So do you think John Cena is doing the right move coming back into the WWE? Or should he have taken a bit more time? Because I think WWE can do well for like a month or so till John Cena comes back. I mean, the storylines are going well. The Rhodes family, Daniel Bryan versus Randy Orton, and the Authority, Triple H, Stephanie McMahon, and Big Show's in the mix now. So things are going good, but the ratings have not been as high as expected. So they're bringing back John Cena. Let's see what he can do. He's facing Alberto Del Rio for the World Heavyweight Championship, and I'm rooting for him. I want him to win because I don't like Del Rio that much. Anyway, what do you think about it? Feel free to comment below, and please like, comment like I told, and subscribe. And remember, the full form of ITZ is in the zone. By the way, did you check out the movie Gravity? If you haven't, see it. It's really nice. Get in the zone!